If you Google legal nurse consulting, you'll find hundreds of people trying to sell you the dream. 6 figures from your couch. Work 2 hours a day, 7-figure legal nurse. Attorneys begging to hire you. Yeah, that's not the whole truth, guys. And the lies are keeping good nurses like you from actually changing their lives. So today I'm going to tell you what nobody else will. The real truth about legal nurse consulting. The good, the bad, the holy crap, why didn't anybody tell me this? So let's start with the elephant in the room, the easy money myth. Legal nurse consulting is not easy money. If somebody told you it was, they lied. Seth, he's Marine Corps Special Forces before coming into nursing, and he put it perfectly. He said, this is probably the hardest thing that I've ever done. And that's coming from somebody who spent 4 years in Special Forces. So here's the actual truth. You're going to work your butt off at first. You'll face rejection. You'll question yourself probably daily. But here's what they also don't tell you. It's the hardest thing you'll ever do that's actually worth doing. Amanda said to me, was it hard? Yeah, it was. But now I have 80 cases, she said, and I work from home and spend time with my kids. That hard work was an investment. It wasn't a sacrifice. And the difference, in the hospital, you work hard and you don't get anything back. In legal nursing, you work hard and build an asset that continues to pay you forever. So here's what we really do as legal nurse consultants without all the marketing fluff. First, we're medical detectives. You're going to read through hundreds, sometimes thousands of pages of medical records looking for red flags or that smoking gun. Did the nurse document that medication was given when it wasn't? Did the surgeon operate on the wrong site? Did somebody miss obvious signs of a stroke? Chelsea explained it like this. She said, I call myself a nurse detective. I'm putting pieces together, finding what went wrong, connecting dots that attorneys can't see because they don't have our training. Second, we're translators. Attorneys are brilliant at law. They usually know very little about medicine, though. You, me, us as legal nurses, we bridge that gap. One of our nurses in Catalyst said an attorney actually asked what PRN meant. See, these are smart people who just speak a different language. And she said, I translate that medical into the legal that they need. Third, we're case makers or case breakers. Sometimes you're going to tell an attorney their $1 million case is worthless. Sometimes you'll find the detail that wins the whole thing. Now, let me tell you what we're not. We're not typically expert witnesses unless you choose to be, which I teach in Catalyst. But a lot of our nurses don't decide to be expert witnesses. They work fully behind the scenes. We're not lawyers. We're not paralegals. You're not required to have special certifications. You're not limited to working in only our nursing specialty or in your state only. And let me tell you about the client acquisition reality too. Nobody wants to talk about this part. How you actually get clients. Seth marketed to over 700 law firms to build his business. 700. He told me, to me, it's purely a numbers game. He said, the more no's I get, the closer I get to a yes. And most nurses go into this thinking they'll set up a website, post a little bit on social media, send a few emails, and have attorneys just knocking down their door. That's not reality. The truth is you're going to hear no more than you've ever heard it in your life. We already have someone. We do it in-house. I'm not interested. Kristen told me that her first month of marketing, she said, I wanted to cry after every call. But in her 4th week, she said, I got my first yes. And that yes paid for all the no's. And persistence pays off. Once you get one attorney, they'll usually use you again and again. If the work you do is truly top-notch and adds value, then what are they going to do? Refer you to others. Rachel started with 1 attorney. Now she has 3, all from referrals. She said that first attorney was the hardest thing I ever earned. But he sent me 30 cases since then and referred me to 3 other people. So let's talk real numbers, not marketing hype. Your first month, you might make nothing. Your second month, maybe a few hundred. Not a get-rich-quick scheme here. First 4 months in my world, I had 1 client, 1. The check was less than a week salary at the hospital. Now, that's not the typical experience of people who come through Catalyst. In fact, I don't know anyone coming through Catalyst who's taken as long as I did, but I didn't have Catalyst. Here's what happens though when you stick with it and you have a strong, proven marketing strategy. When you follow what I have already laid out, because I've done the hard work, because I've failed, because it did take me 4 months to only have one client. By the time you hit month 4, 5, 6, you're going to have consistent cases coming in, likely replacing your bedside income already. Year 1, you'll probably be exceeding the most you've ever made, even with overtime. Year 2, you're starting to find true financial freedom, starting to spend more time doing the things you love outside of your business. Years 3 plus, you're building real wealth. You're buying back your time by building teams and truly living your dreams. Alex is proof. She nearly 14x'd her revenue in 1 year. But she also said to me that first year, I was grinding while everybody else was watching Netflix. So what are the actual numbers? Hourly rates, typically, you're going to go between 125 to 175, maybe 125 if you're LPN or have less experience, 175 plus, sometimes over 200 an hour if you're an advanced practice nurse or you have tons of experience. If you do a merit review on the low end of what you'll get paid, maybe 500, 750 bucks, but you're only working 3 to 5 hours on it. Full chronologies and reports, you can make $5,000 to $15,000 plus for complex cases. And here's the scaling secret that you really don't hear anywhere else. The real money, it's not in doing all the work yourself. Rachel has 8 subcontractors now. She makes money while taking her daughter to the zoo. And once you start subbing out your work to trusted subcontractors, it frees up your time. You could choose to spend that time growing your business, going on vacations, or just simply doing the things you love with the people you care about. And here's the truth about the work from anywhere promise. Yes, you can work from anywhere. Sarah literally worked from the Galapagos Islands. Catherine worked from Kenya. I've worked from Italy. It's real. But you still have to actually work. Sarah wasn't sipping cocktails 24/7 in the Galapagos. She told me I work 2 hours in the morning, I enjoy my day, and then 2 more hours at night. She said it's flexible, but not optional. See, attorneys have depositions and settlement negotiations and court dates. When they need something, they need to know it's going to be done by the agreed upon time. And there's a mental load that should also be acknowledged here. You're going to be running a business. That means things like taxes, contracts, invoicing, marketing, and doing the actual work yourself or overseeing the team of subs doing the reviews. You know, Sydney, she chose the name Choose Happy for her business. She said, it's a choice every day to show up as CEO and not as an employee. And she told me that mental shift is real work for her. Now, let me tell you what the glossy marketing strategies out there of other companies won't tell you. You're going to doubt yourself constantly. Shauna, working part-time with a 2-year-old, said every case, I think, what if I miss something? The imposter syndrome's real. Another thing is your family might not get it. One of our nurses in Catalyst told me my husband thought I was crazy leaving a steady paycheck. My mom kept asking me when I was going back to real nursing. And you'll work alone. You'll work alone a lot. No more nurses station chatter. It's you, your computer, and medical records. Kelsey, though, she told me she found the solution. She said, the isolation was hard until I found the Catalyst community. Now my coworkers are nationwide. We talk in the community, we text, we see each other on the live calls. I talk cases daily, she said. But here's what also surprised me that nobody talks about. Attorneys are actually awesome. We think lawyers are sharks. Most are incredibly respectful professionals who value expertise. Jane told me an attorney literally said that her work was better than his. Now, when's the last time a doctor said that about your nursing? You'll also actually become a better nurse through legal nurse consulting. Even if you never go back to the bedside, your clinical knowledge explodes. Cammie told me, she said, I understand pathophysiology now in ways that I never did at the bedside. Reading cases from every specialty, she said, makes you incredibly well-rounded. So here's the absolute truth about legal nurse consulting. It's hard work, but it's work that builds your future, not someone else's. It takes time, but that time creates real freedom. It requires courage, but that courage pays compounding interest. You'll face rejection, but one yes can change everything. You'll work alone, but you'll have a vibrant community through Catalyst. You'll doubt yourself, but you'll also discover capabilities you never knew existed. Listen, I could have done like all the others and sold you the dream. Easy money, no effort, instant success. But you deserve the truth, and the truth is this. Legal nurse consulting is the hardest thing you'll ever do that actually gives you back everything you put in and way more. If you want easy, stay at the bedside. If you want transformation, even if it's hard, this is your path. Start by watching my free training. The link's below. I'll show you exactly how this works, not the fantasy, but the reality. The actual steps, the real challenges, and most importantly, how nurses with no business experience are building six-figure practices despite all of it. Because here's the final truth I'll share with you today. Knowing it's hard doesn't make it less worth doing. It just means you go in with your eyes open, your expectations correctly set, and the right support to actually succeed. The nurses crushing it in legal nurse consulting, they're not special. They just knew the truth, accepted it, found a community and a mentor that could help them and guide them, and they did the work anyway. So the question is, will you? Click below. Let's talk about the real path to legal nurse consulting success. No fairy tales, just truth and possibility.